Hello, sir.
Yes, come and take seat.
Hello, sir.
Yes, what you want?
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello.
Oh God, what are you? Inita.
To, sir.
Da, Johnny. What you want?
Sir.
Oh God. Pegang udah ke bangke.
Sir, I need saguri, sir.
Go on degree lo pori ke.
Sir, I know ABC take 1 2 3 take and ON 1 take, sir. Sir, lapen ke I know ABC lapen ke nimen chito I'll also take, sir.
Da, tang te ne question ponar chupo day.
Yes, sir.
English ke take bo? Huh?
Take this, sir.
How many states in India?
State. West Kalbi Anglo, lapen ke East Kalbi Anglo. Take chitlas. Hini, sir.
Pelo puta, pelo.
West Kalbi Anglo, lapen ke East Kalbi Anglo, sir.
Wow, take servo. Question 2 by day.
Sir.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Tuliram Rohang, sir.
Wow. Third question. What was the full form of CM?
Central Parking, sir.
Tiba. Entela. Garita sarwang balwa parking nang poke. Entela son cap.
Yes, sir.
Fourth question. Who is the father of nation?
Narendra Modi, sir.
Kalang. Narendra Modi. Kalang la lagi. Last question. Pa pangching nang bo. Chokbo. Narjuna ma. Wait. Let him interview first. You wait there, okay? Last question, okay?
Yes, sir.
Where are you from?
Where are you from? Pulute, Pirte long pen kate bok nay. A Pirte pumpi potma pulola. Chinilo.
Wow, good job. Now you go.
Yes, sir.
B.
Pisinang kipuji pulo, sir. Nang English lam tek peme melang di.
I think you are a psycho, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Ne pese kupu sons nang karjulo nang pa.
Inte nang si job long an lobu basar inte non het kipu ke inte.
What? Ing chambus nang panay pusala. Toro ramon dak pen. What?
Sir, please Ben, job nang pita.
To. Non interview parmanang. Ko ano laho?
Cikloyon po pen, patay si interview ang lang non patay ni recap anse long po day. Sir.
Da.
Bye, sir. Thank you day.
Oita. Bye.